Hey guys!
Hello!
Would you like to introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Dave.
I'm Dan.
And it's Rachel filming today. Woo! We're very excited to be down on Dinistinka Beach.
Yes.
Yeah, why did you choose Dinistinka Beach, Dan?
Because I like to be out and about doing things. I'm a bit wild and nutty. So there's a big pile of water over there which we might have a dip in later.
We'll have a dip in that later.
Encourage these two to join me in my wild swimming adventure.
Hell yeah!
Absolutely.
Look at the fear on Dave's face.
Not as much as you'll see later.
Woo! Dave, why did you join Gig Buddies?
Well, I've been going to gigs for years and I really I've always enjoyed going to see live music. And I heard about Gig Buddies and thought it would be a great idea for somebody else to be able to go and experience that and enjoy it the way I do. So that's why I joined up. And then I got paired with Dan.
Woo! And Dan, why did you join Gig Buddies?
Why did I join Gig Buddies? I saw it down, my mum saw it down in South Wales first of all and thought, well, that's a great opportunity adventure. Why is it not up in North Wales? So we emailed, and eventually it appeared up in North Wales and we thought, yay! So I don't normally go out much in the evenings, so it's really nice to be able to finally go out and go to a gig or go to a cinema or go to something in the evenings. And it took a little while to find somebody. Luckily my first match was this young man here.
I like that bit, young man.
Yeah.
When we've hit off ever since really. So that's why I was like to Gig Buddies in North Wales.
Amazing. How long have you been a part of Gig Buddies for?
I think it's about 12 months now. 12, maybe 18 months. So I joined during lockdown. So it was always a bit difficult because obviously we couldn't do that much in lockdown because we were all in lockdown, but that's when I joined.
Yeah, it was such a weird time, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
I've been matched probably about 10 months now. And yeah, it was really nice to get the call to say, I found your match! I'm very excited. Rachel saying, yeah, woo. So we've done a lot of stuff since. So,
Yeah, I was going to ask how long have you been matched for? So it's about 10 months, is it?
About 10 months I
Yeah,
think we've been
right.
matched, yeah, roughly about that. Again, we first met in lockdown, couldn't do that much, we've found something to do.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've met ever since.
So what was the first thing you guys did when you were matched?
I think we just went to the pub and played pool, didn't we?
No, the first one, Dave, was we met down in Llanberis where
we met with Rachel.
That was a match meeting, wasn't it?
That was our match meeting.
Well, the first trip we had together was I think we just went to the pub.
We just went to the local pub because we didn't really know what each other was into much then, so we thought, right, we'll go down to the pub.
Chance to have a talk and figure out what stuff we wanted to go and do.
And Davey has been to a lot of gigs, so he knows the lay of the land of gig world. So yeah, we went to my first ever gig was going to see Manic Street Preachers at Venue Cymru. Yeah, hashtag Venue Cymru. It was my first ever big gig for the sport of Dave, and yeah, it was really good to experience live music. Yeah.
How do you feel that being matched helped with your first gig?
So being matched, I think I've said before, I don't really go out much in the evening, so giving me the confidence to go out in an evening feeling safe and secure, especially when it gets dark, is a really good bonus for me. I've taught Dave how to sort of guide train because I'm visually impaired, so that's quite useful for Dave.
Yeah,
but also it's a nice way of relaxing in an evening, doing something together. Dave's like a really mate to me now, so it's brilliant.
It is a bit intimidating going to a big gig on your own if you've not experienced it before.
Yeah.
You know, so it's good to have somebody that you can go with who's been there before.
Definitely, yeah.
Dave, what's your favourite thing about being matched to Dan?
Well, the fact that he's really got laid back and he's got a
He's laid back.
pretty laid back. So we can have a go at try and do anything we want really, which is good.
Dan, what's your favourite thing about being matched with Dave?
Oh, favourite thing. Too many to name. No, I think my favourite thing is to have probably a person that's a real good mate. I generally see him as like a fatherly figure as well, which is quite nice. Because I say I haven't had really a proper father growing up, so it's nice to be able to go and do something, him be able to show me stuff, him be able to come out with me for walks, do wild, mad things like I'm going to do later. So, yeah.
Swimming in that bad boy.
Yeah, in that bad boy. Yeah, it's yeah, a real confidence boost certainly for me.
Amazing. What have you guys been up to since being matched?
What have you been up to?
Well, we've been out to the pub quite regularly, have a game of against pool or something. We've been to comedy nights, went to see Al Murray at Venue Cymru.
Yeah.
We've been to
Went to the cinema, didn't we? Went to the
cinema, went to Top Gun recently.
Top Gun recently, that was alright. Good film.
We went to comedy nights. I said that,
Yeah,
Venue Cymru.
went to
We've
comedy.
been to bigger gigs. We've been to smaller gigs in pubs and small venues
Yeah.
in Holyhead.
Yeah, it's just finding things around, isn't
Yeah,
it? When
just
when
different
things
stuff to
appear,
do.
we're quite laid back, so we don't really plan ahead of schedule. So
No.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, what did you have planned coming up now?
And we haven't got a lot planned actually.
no. So
we need to
whatever
have a
takes
bit
the
of
fancy,
planning
we'll
session.
look up.
Yeah.
I love that.
Maybe go to the cinema, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So you guys live quite far apart. How do you cope with the distance between you two?
Well, Dan's pretty good at, if we're going out, so Dan's pretty good at meeting us in, meeting somewhere, venue in Llandudno or in Bangor, and then I can make sure he gets home, because being in a rural place like Gwynedd, getting transport later on in the evening after you've been to an
Yes.
event, that's a big problem. So I can make sure Dan gets back all right.
Yeah, that's part of the reason why I think Gig Buddies is good, because although that you get matched with a friend and a buddy, if you don't drive or rely on public transport, it's nice to have somebody with a car or a bike or
It is a problem.
whatever he's got to get you safely home in an evening,
Yep.
and to not panic and say, oh, I've got to leave something early, la la la.
No.
So no, yeah, it's really useful.
Stay up late.
Stay up late.
No more
Stay
bedtimes.
up late. Stay up late.
No more bedtimes.
Woo!
That's Rachel's plane coming over to
Yeah,
pick
yeah.
her up.
Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
I just say, so like, if you haven't got a gig buddy yet, or been matched, it will take a bit of time to find the right person. But when you do, match like this chap here, he's brilliant. So ask Rachel; she'll do her best to try and help you. Don't nag her, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, it'll get there, and you'll have an amazing time.
And if you're somebody who's got maybe a bit of time, doesn't need a lot of time, that you can maybe contribute and have a gig buddy and do something positive, sign up, contact Rachel and sign up for gig buddies. It's great, it's really worthwhile.
So we're now going to get ready to go in there. So
Yeah,
we'll
'cause
see you later.
We'll see you later. We're going that way. I'll be back in a second.
Hello, I'm Dave.
See?